Let's see the story of sound O. The name of this letter is O and the sound of this letter, here is the story. So, there was an alphabet monster. Yes, an alphabet monster. He loves to eat all the letters of the alphabet. Yes, one day he ate all the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. And then his stomach started paining. Oh, my stomach is paining. So the monster started spitting the letters like oh, oh, oh. But the letter O was very naughty. He was not ready to come out of the stomach and he was hitting like ah, ah. And the monster was doing like ah, ah, ah. Yes, the sound of letter O is ah, ah. Orange, ah, ah. Octopus, ah. Orange, ah. Octopus. Okay, children? So practice this sound at your home.